say thank you to St. Cecilia once again. Yeah, what I want to show you is a building. So we have 4 blocks like this, and what we are missing is the level. The floor is not level, it's deep, as you can see, it's deep. So we need to level the floor and plaster the wall, and if possible, we might need a ceiling on the board, on the roof, and the short board has to be done here too. So these are things we need in those 4 blocks, plus kitchen, plus storage and office. All 4 blocks and storage and office are missing the level and plastering. We want this on behalf of Makum community. We want to say thank you again to St. Cecilia for more effort you have done and your generosity. Thank you.